In today's video, I'll teach you how to recover Cash Now account. So first of all, open the Cash Now application. You can see over here Cash Now application has been opened. Normally, if your Cash Now application has been permanently deleted, you'll not be able to recover it. But if your account has not been permanently deleted, what you can do is simply try logging into your account again. Tap on the account icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. After you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. What you have to do is log into your account with your UAE mobile number. Tap on the field of mobile number and enter your mobile number over here. After you do that, tap on this option login or register that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, the verification code will be sent to your phone number. Simply enter the verification code and tap on this option next. Now simply follow through the prompts in order to log into your account and you'll be able to use your Cash Now account again. If logging into your account does not help you recover your account, what you can do is simply contact the Cash Now service. For that, open any browser of your choice, tap on the search bar. Now what you have to do is search for Cash Now support. You'll be able to see the results over here. Simply tap on the link provided by the Cash Now itself. Now you can see over here you'll be able to contact them. Likewise, enter your email address over here. Now enter the phone number associated with your account. Now once you do that, what you have to do is enter your message over here. Tap on the field of message. Now enter that you want to recover your Cash Now account. You can enter it on your own words. Now tap on the send option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you've submitted your message. Your submission has been received. Now Cash Now will look into your request. After they do that, they might recover the account for you. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you recover Cash Now account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.